करा है 5 पैर का, इधर भी तो दिखाओ.
So, Salman, when you saw Zanjeer, matlab we were, I think,
Yeah.
8 years old. Even at 8, you realize that it's a different movie. And I remember Amitabh Bachchan walked in the interval, and there was an aura. So what did you feel when you started doing action movies and all? Did वो आपके mind में था कि मुझे subconsciously या consciously कि मेरे को ऐसे type का?
Because I've always felt that when the audience comes out, you know, they should want to be the hero. They should want a son like the hero. They should want a girl should want brother, a boyfriend, a husband. You know, that feeling should come from all different types of fans. That's so, and because I also used to have them when I used to watch a Bruce Lee film. So I used to come out and want to be like Bruce Lee. तो ये मेरे दिमाग में पहले से छपा हुआ था कि अगर if I make a movie or I'm in a movie, that is the kind of film that I want to do.
Zoya, you write completely different movies than a Salim Javed. I mean, it's the other end of the spectrum. But is there anything that influenced you from their films?
Yeah, I think in their writing, all their characters, even their characters that have one scene, has something special. I think that's otherwise there's no wasted character. You know, so I think that is something that I've got because I do ensembles. They have very strong women. All their films.
Yes.
All their women are working women with opinions, women with agency. That I've taken. And they have clean films. There's no vulgarity. But at the same time, there's everything in it.
Yeah, you know, I mean, there'll be a cabaret dance or
there'll be everything.
Mujra or whatever, but it's always...
But there's a completeness to it. That I think has influenced me deeply.
Like even if when you see Diwar, the character that Parveen Babi plays in it is of like a night worker.
Yeah.
Right? But the dignity that even her character is treated with in the writing, in the presentation, no other time like of a writer or a director will do that. It would have started with a song.
Correct.
The hero sitting there and the woman is dancing a cabaret or dancing with some men around her, and then she comes and sits next to him and he says, I saw you dancing and you were very beautiful. It was treated with such dignity, that relationship that Vijay and she had.
And the humanity, I mean,
all
the women.
Best quality of Salim Javed films is that हर एक character, छोटा से छोटा character was registered और उसके बाद उन्होंने चाहे 100 फिल्में की होंगी, बड़ी-बड़ी फिल्में की होंगी, उस आदमी की रोजी रोटी उस छोटे से कैरेक्टर से शुरू हुई।
अभी तक उसी की वजह से है
जी,
जिंदा उसी की वजह से है।
I mean, Samba is still doing ads.
Samba.
All of them.
Is like part of
Sholay is everyone. The Oscar also I've used it.
भोपाली,
Surma Bhopali.
भोपाली
वो तो पिक्चर बनी पूरी।
हाँ, पिक्चर
सुरमा